Best Amazon Keyword Tracker. The Best Amazon Keyword Tracker helps sellers monitor how their products rank for specific search terms over time, track performance changes, and identify which keywords drive traffic and conversions. Tracking keywords allows sellers to quickly react to ranking drops, optimize listings, and maintain strong visibility in Amazon search results. A leading solution for this is Helium 10, which offers a powerful keyword tracker that updates your keyword positions daily or even hourly during product launches. It allows sellers to track both organic and sponsored rankings, monitor competitors' keyword performance, and identify which terms are generating the most sales. Top Amazon sellers use Helium 10 to make informed adjustments to their listings and PPC strategies. By analyzing ranking trends and tracking keyword movement, they can boost search visibility, increase click-through rates, and maintain a strong presence in competitive categories. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you access to real-time keyword tracking, ranking analytics, and optimization tools that help you grow your Amazon sales with precision and confidence.